Well, let's see if this helps me make friends in my new neighborhood. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to another Motovlog. So I was not sure I was going to get to make anything to post today because I was busy moving all weekend. I am no longer in Orange County, I'm now in Riverside County actually. Kind of out here, not really in the sticks, but I mean there's some farmland out here. And right now, we're exploring. Hopefully we don't end up on a dirt road because I really don't want to off-road the Tuono. Do we go left or right? I'm feeling left. We're gonna go left. Let's go left. Stop sign intersection. Road closed. Whee! Look at that view though. All these mountains, especially as the sun goes down. Wow. Something else. It is beautiful out here. So in case you missed last week's Motovlog, put a card up above right here, but I moved. My girlfriend and I bought a house. We are now out in the Temecula Valley, Murrieta area and living our best lives, being homeowners. A couple other details in that vlog just about my racing plans, so if you like watching me race, might be exciting to hear about that stuff if you haven't already. So it was a bit of a hectic weekend, but not as hectic as it could have been if my amazing girlfriend Hillary hadn't put us in such a good position to be well prepped for our movers and for us to move things that we didn't want our movers to move. So pro tip, or at least my 2 cents, if you're moving, it is so worth the money to just hire movers. Hire people to move at least all the heavy stuff, the big stuff, beds, big furniture, dressers, things like that. Especially if you have stairs where you live today and or stairs where you're going. For the most part, our stuff was super packed up and ready to go when we had the movers come in for this weekend as we moved some things on our own. Fragile stuff, TVs, anything that was sentimental that might break. Look at these here ranches. Pretty cool. Very different from what I'm used to. I hope you guys can see the sky as it looks to me. It's absolutely beautiful with all the colors. Just taking it in. We're just kind of wandering right now. I'm not really sure where we are. Might need to stop and pull out my phone eventually and find my way home, but for the meantime, this is nice. It's finally cooled off. It gets quite hot here, especially in the summer. And this weekend was no exception. It was 102 yesterday at peak. And today it was actually 94, which felt really nice in comparison. But it does cook out here a bit. But we did the big trip with the movers, and then both Hillary and I took her car. She drove her car with stuff loaded up, and I took my van with stuff loaded up. And we did a trip out here yesterday. Slept here for the first time. And then drove back home today and picked up more stuff. So we've moved basically everything except for a few things from my garage and my Supermoto, but got the Tuono and the Daytona over, which is great, especially because I still need to do some work on the Daytona and cut a little bit of a hole in the belly pan in front of the header and the oil cooler so that I can get some airflow there and hopefully not completely destroy my oil. But I think I'll probably go pick up the Supermoto tomorrow, which will be today for you once I'm done with work. Got a super early meeting, 6 a.m., which right after moving, gonna be a little bit of a toughie, but I'll get it done. This is pretty. Wow. But yeah, we got most of our stuff over here, so it's just a matter of unpacking now, because basically everything is still in boxes. Getting comfy. Start learning to live a life in a different place. Find the places that I like to go, things that I like to see. Ooh, an airplane. That's cool. But just get acclimated to our new environment. I'll tell you a little bit about the house. So the house is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's like 2,800 square feet. It's a big house. It was something that we could grow into, and it's in an up-and-coming area where we think we'll probably be pretty well off long term in terms of the home appreciating. In addition to that, it has not 1 but 2 garages, which is pretty cool. So it has an attached 1-car garage, kind of like you might see in an apartment complex, but with a door that actually goes straight into the house, which is nice. And then it also has an attached 2-car garage separate from that. So pretty cool. We're still trying to work out how garages will be divvied up and who's going to get what space. Obviously, I need space for my motorcycles. My girlfriend needs space for her car. I have slightly longer term aspirations of buying another sports car or just more motorcycles. So definitely want to make sure that I have the space for that, but also want to make sure that Hillary's comfortable, of course. We tried to park her car in the 1-car garage, and it's a pretty tight squeeze. She has a Toyota Camry, and it's kind of long. Definitely not a compact, so we might just need to get her a shorter car. We'll get it all sorted out. What's important is that we have space to grow and achieve all of our long-term goals, so we're super happy. It's just, of course, going to take some time for us to get comfortable there and make it our own, make it feel like home, but we're super pumped. Now with that, I am exhausted from moving these past couple days, carrying a lot of stuff, moving motorcycles, starting to unpack, and I need to go get my desk set up for work and grab some food because I am starving. So I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate a gentle little click of the like button. Definitely consider subscribing for more motorcycling adventures. I know this was a short one, but I'm going to the racetrack this coming weekend, riding my Daytona 675R at Buttonwillow in configuration number 1 for the first time. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later, and have a great week.